Hi everybody. This is what I got through in December as far as melting. It wasn't a lot because I was so busy like getting ready for Christmas, shopping, and getting the house ready because I had everybody over at my house. So I was not in the house that much, so this is what I got. Let's get into it. Okay. First one was this Marshmallow Candy Cane by Better Homes and Gardens. And I like this scent. It's actually really heavy on the sweet marshmallow. So after I melt it for like an hour or two, it just gets a little too much for me. And I have to turn it off. But the scent's really, really, really sweet, and I like it at first, but I can only handle so much of it. The next one by Better Homes and Gardens is the Cranberry Mandarin Splash. And I just love this one. Like, whenever you just want something, not so heavy. This is very light, and yet it really smells up your whole house for at least half the day or more. It's very nice. And I usually use like two squares in one warmer for like a larger room, and then like one square if it was in like the bathroom or something. And another Better Homes and Gardens was the Salted Caramel Grahams. And I really, really love this smell. Like for a bakery smell, you can really get the salted caramel graham crackers. It's a really nice mix combination. The problem with this one is that it takes a while to heat up, like warm up, and then actually start smelling it. And then all of a sudden it's really, it's really in your face for about an hour or two, and then it just like completely just dies off completely. But it is good while it lasts because it's a really, really, really nice scent for me. I have a couple of Sensationals. Pumpkin Marshmallow Cream, which I finished up. That was from around Thanksgiving. This one is nice. It's actually not as sweet as the Candy Cane Marshmallow one from Better Homes and Gardens. So I can handle this, as long as it lasts. It's not as strong of a throw, but it's pretty medium throw. And it's nice. I actually like it better. And then I have another Sensationals. Kitchen Spice, well, I think I've already gone over this one because it's one of my favorites. I don't know. It's just a little bit of like a cinnamon, clove, nutmeg. Just kind of homey, baked good kitchen smell that I tend to pick up quite a bit. And this one is from Tuscany Candle, a peppermint meringue. I absolutely love this one. I even had to go back and get more, and I picked up the last one. This is just like a hot chocolate peppermint, and it smells really, really, really good warmed up. I love this one. All right, let's get into. I had some samples that I went through. This is Scented Squirrel sample. It's a Blackberry Sage Wild Madagascar Vanilla. This smelled pretty good on cold, but when I stuck it in the warmer, I really didn't get anything. I mean, absolutely nothing. I was literally like had my nose in there to even, smell it. It didn't throw like not even a foot from the warmer. So, and there's another one from the Scented Squirrel. This is a sample: black currant, sweet raspberry, juicy apple, creamy vanilla musk, and angel food cake. This one was about the same thing. I threw the sample in there and I got a teeny tiny bit of a throw. Smelled good on cold, but I don't know. maybe it hadn't cured long enough. I was actually really surprised because I received a loaf from the Scented Squirrel that actually goes all day long, and then I got 2 samples with the loaf, and neither one of them threw for me. So I actually just placed another order with her, and I'll probably be getting that in a little while. So I'm interested to see, because the loaf was really good, but these samples just didn't do anything. Here we have a sample. I had mulled cider from Up North Creations. Mulled cider isn't my favorite. I don't know. It was nice. It was pleasant. It was a soft throw, but it threw fairly decent for many hours, at least half the day. And you know, it was just a small sample. But like I don't like mulled cider, and I don't purchase it, but I melted it just to see what it would be like. And this was a sample I got from the Bathing Garden. It was part of their Valentine's stuff. Old Fashioned Valentine. If I remember, this was like a vanilla with the marzipan and like dried fruits, and it was pleasant. And it threw really well, actually, and it threw like all day long, and it was just a sample. I wouldn't purchase it. It's not my favorite scent. It's doable. It's pleasant. Just not one of my favorites, but it's nice. Okay, here we have, this is from Lovely Natural Bath & Body. Snow Covered Gingerbread House Maxwell Wax Melt. I'm backwards today, dyslexic, apparently. Buttered gingerbread, marshmallow, and French vanilla. You know, I actually really liked this. The buttered gingerbread was just perfect. It wasn't too spicy. And, you know, this came in like a big, like a house size shape. And I want to say, like, I cut it into 3. So it was like 3 melts. And I really liked it. I mean, I absolutely loved it. It wasn't too spicy at all. You really could, the marshmallow and the vanilla really did tone down the gingerbread, but you still, you know, got enough of it that it was a bakery scent. It was fabulous. Okay, here we have Banana Nut Bread, Kay's Scented Melts. This is a repurchase for me because I like it. This is a larger scent shot, and I cut it in half. And that's just one of my favorites from there. Let's see, here's another one from Kay's Scented Melts. This is the Fruity Rings, which of course smells just like Fruit Loops. I wrote a yes on it because it threw really well. It's a scent that I like and a scent that I have repurchased and will repurchase. One of the my favorites from there. Here's another one from Kay. Blueberry oh, focus. Uh-oh, we're losing it. Blueberry Cobbler. And this is another larger scent shot that I cut in half and melt it, and I love this one. Absolutely, like, just a lovely divine blueberry bakery scent. Love that one. And yeah, here's another one. I melted a couple of them. The Fruity Rings from Kay's. Smell like Fruit Loops. Hansel and Gretel's House. Yeah, this one, you know, just your typical, like, kind of a cinnamon cookie spice type of thing. It's actually not that strong. It doesn't throw that strong. It's a nice scent. It's not really good or long on the throw. So, I'm not getting that one. Oh, what was this one? I got nothing. Let me smell it. Oh yeah, that was candy corn. This was candy corn from Moonstone Bath Company, and I liked it. Actually, it was one of these larger scent shots that I cut in half, and I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed this candy corn scent. I don't know why it's not marked. And then here's what I melted on Christmas when I had everyone over downstairs in the kitchen. I was melting this Let It Snow, which is like a mix. It's like a bunch of mints mixed with cinnamon. And I don't know why, I just love it. To me, it goes so well, like when you're cooking meats and desserts and all the kitchen smells are mingling. You don't want to have another, like, kind of bakery scent in there that just mixes in with everything. So the mint and the cinnamon really stood out, and they it played really well with, like, everything that was cooking. I mean, I got compliments on that, like, oh, what is that smell? And yeah, it was great. I loved it. Let It Snow. Candles by Victoria. Very nice cinnamon mint. And then I got, just two more. We're coming down to the end. This is the Up North Creations zucchini bread. One of my favorites that I've bought from her several times. Absolutely love it. Love it. Throws fairly well. This is a smaller scent size, so I just use the whole thing. And then another Up North Creations banana cream pie. It smells fabulous on cold. When you warm it up, it smelled good, but it wasn't that it wasn't that strong. It was like faint. But I don't know. I didn't let it cure. Maybe like a week. So that could have been the problem. But actually, I think I'm expecting another order from her, and I may have ordered this again. I'll have to try it again, because there are a lot of her scents that work really well for me. And that's it for December, because I was busy with Christmas. Thanks a lot, you guys. I'll see you next time.